Firstly, if you want to speed up the whole clip, simply right-click on your clip and select Speed Duration. In this window, you can choose what percentage you want to speed up the entirety of your clip. A similar method to speed up the whole clip is to use the Rate Stretch tool, which you can access by pressing R. With this tool, you can stretch or shrink your footage, and it will automatically adjust the speed of your clip accordingly. If you only want to change the speed of certain parts of your clip and not the whole thing, you will need to use Time Remapping. You'll need to right-click on the grey effects box in the top left-hand corner of your clip and select Time Remapping Speed. You may need to expand the video channel on your timeline in order to view the white line, which allows you to set the properties for time remapping. Hold down the Command key if you're on Mac or the Windows key if you're on Windows, and by left-clicking it will make a marker appear on your clip. Now by left-clicking and dragging the white line, you can speed up or slow down the clip as necessary. Note that the audio of the clip won't change speed and you need to adjust this separately later. You can adjust the positioning of these 2 points in the marker to smooth the transition between the two different speeds.